Welcome friends to all of you in today's video of 7x Capitals. Friends, nowadays everyone dreams of having a good house, a good car, foreign travel, time, and respect in society. But take 2 minutes to think. Can you live such a life in the future? If your answer is no, then you need to rethink, because this is only possible when you get a good business. So friends, today we have brought for you the best business. Yes friends, we are talking about 7x Capitals, which is a 100% safe and secure crypto mining platform. Friends, here you can generate a very high level of income by making a very small investment. So friends, without taking more time, let's talk about the package details here. You can start here with a minimum of 1 pool and a maximum of 10,000 pools. Talking about the cycle package structure, friends, here is the first cycle in which you will get 4% profit for 7 days, 80% in the main wallet and 20% in the principal wallet. In cycle 2, you will get 5% income for 7 days, 80% in your main wallet and 20% in the principal wallet. And friends, continuing in this order, in cycle 3 you will get 6%, in cycle 4 7%, in cycle 5 8%, in cycle 6 9%, and in cycle 7 you will receive 10% income. Now team business income will also be received. First, we will know about working income and direct income. Friends, as you join this excellent and wonderful concept and get benefits, you can also help your friends. If you refer someone to join, then from every direct referral here you will get income. Talking about team business income, friends, here after completing to directs and completing the business volume of 10,000 pools, you will get a 5% bonus and 5% profit. When your business volume reaches 15,000 pools, you will receive 0.5% income. To unlock each level, to direct referrals are compulsory. Talking about terms and conditions, friends, here the minimum withdrawal is 1 pool and the maximum is 10,000 pools within 1 day, and you can withdraw in multiples of this. All deposits and withdrawals will be in pool coins. There will be 5x capping on each package, and you can withdraw the principal after 7 days from your joining date. So this was the entire project of 7x Capitals, friends. If you want to earn a great income, then the numbers of senior leaders you will find in the description, whom you can contact for more information. Friends, thank you all for watching this video till the end.